Yeah,
Forget
that's
to
why like
boil
when your name then I say
No, because I went to see Carly because I made that thing, right? Oh, okay. This is what I bring you.
Honey, try that pizza outfit on, honey.
No, I hide.
Hmm?
I hide that. That's I wear that in Philippines.
The hair's so silver, right, honey?
Huh?
Silver hair.
And I got you those
Oh, thank
for
you.
tomorrow.
For tomorrow.
Yeah.
You want to eat? Ano ito?
Sardines.
Fuck,
Yeah,
sardines.
Yeah, I forgot to boil it.
Yeah, that's okay. Ilang oras ka doon sa
Honey, can I not have any of that? Like, please? I don't want any of it. No. Sardines? No way!
That's not for you, Fred.
Okay, so that's why you asked, right?
Where's my food? I guess my food didn't make it.
That's not.
Oh, you're eating my sausages.
Who cares? I just eat one.
Maybe I'll get some other hot babe to eat my sausage, right, honey?
So I put that those sweet potato.
You want me to boil now?
It's up to you. It's
No, I'm not eating. Like if you want, you
No, I'm good.
Are you sure you're not
Oh, yeah.
hungry?
No, I'm good. If there's still lots to eat.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah, mayroon pang talong dito. Hindi ko nga naubos yung baon. Kasi pag na-boring ako pag kinain ko tapos kainin ko naman ang nabubuhan.
Okay. Yeah, because I went to this girl. He's a little bit better today. Yeah, he got 2 days. He was sick.
Sick?
Yeah. Yes.
I'm not
Okay, okay.